Hi everyone, good evening. So today we are going to review this 14 kilowatt grid connected solar PV system. So this is nothing but the output generated from this grid connected inverter, and this is nothing but grid connected inverter, where generally we call it as a grid tied inverter. And coming to the plant, so here you are going to have approximately two strings. Okay, so you have the upper set is nothing but 14 panels, and next these are the remaining 14 panels. Okay, so you have two sets of 14 and one more set is also 14. Okay, so here 14 solar panels are connected in series connection, which will act as an this will act as an string 1 and this will act as an string 2. So if you see this panel specification, so you can see the panel specification here. So the rating of this solar panel is 535 watt. I mean each panel will like take an 535, and this is 535. So I can say that when you connect two panels, which is equal to 1 kilowatt. Okay, so operating voltage, I mean we have multiple parameters. Open circuit voltage is 49 volts and short circuit current is 13 amperes, and the maximum voltage actually what we require for the connections is 41 volts, and current is 12.85 amperes. Okay, so overall this is nothing but from the manufacturer Renew System India Private Limited from Maharashtra. So this each panel will act like an 535 watts. Generally, we will consider it as a 500 watt panel. So each two solar panel. So this is solar panel 1 and this is solar panel 2 will constitute around approximately 14. So if you count completely, you have 28 solar panel. So this is an 14 kilowatt solar, I mean grid connected solar PV system. So here, so you can see here all the connections. Coming to the connections, here you can see here all the solar panels are connected in series connection. So the negative is connected to positive, and this negative is connected to positive, and this negative is connected to positive. So like this you can see here, this is completely one string. So this is a string 1 which is directly connected to the grid connected inverter. You can see the connection. So output of this, I mean negative is connected to positive, and this negative is connected to the positive, and this negative is connected to the positive. Like this you have 14 solar panels which are connected in series connection, and ultimately we can have here, so you can see ultimately how many wires are there.